Welcome. If you wanna change log method on your Realme 5 Pro, for the first we have to enter the settings. Then we have to scroll down and tap on the fingerprint, face and password. We can tap on the lock screen password and set up. Tap on the turn on password and we can set up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We want to use this password. I know it's very simple, but there is only example. And now we have to link an email to lock our screen password to help us with the password recovery, but we can tap on the cancel. We don't want to use it and we are going to lock our screen, unlock, and right now we have to input our password. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.